I did hear the dispatcher tell this train, didn't pick up the train number, that they would be meeting 213 at Worley. So apparently they had to stop. So one of them's diverging, I guess. Sounded like 213 said something about diverging, so I guess 213's on track 1, diverging to 2. Well, since 213 is not coming right this minute, I think I'm going to reposition to catch this from the bridge. So 213 is on track 2. I can get a shot at both. I ain't going to get much of a shot of anything on track 2 with this stop on track 1. Actually, that's something there. You hear that diversion 1 to 2. So actually, I don't have time to get up there to the bridge. I am going to go ahead and stop and start the video real quick, just from the fact that this camera has a 9-minute and something time limit on the videos, and I don't think that this other train will be by before that limit is up. So here we go.